You know, no matter what program you use, it can be a challenge to get users to adopt a new process. So let me share with you a few keyboard shortcuts you can share with your users to make data entry easier and faster. So here I have my app. It's for a promotional giveaway, and we are giving away insulated bottles to the first 100 callers. So it's important for me to document the date and time that each call came in. A quick way to do that is to go to the field, that's a date and time field, and just press N for now on my keyboard. And when I press N, the current date and time is automatically entered into the field. So that's a nice time saver. My date shipped field is just a date field. And to quickly get an entry in there, I just press T on my keyboard for today, and then today's date is automatically entered. If I want to change that by just one day, I can easily do that with a PC by clicking the left bracket or pressing the left bracket on my keyboard, and the date will go back one day. If I press it again, it will go back another day. Likewise, you can just click the right bracket to move the date forward one day. And if I click the right bracket multiple times, the date is advanced multiple days. One day for every time I press that right bracket. The bracket tip doesn't work for Mac users, it only works for PC users. But the N for now and the T for today works for everybody. Okay, one last time-saving tip. You can click Control S to save the record. So rather than clicking the Save button, just click Control S and the record is saved. I encourage you to share these tips with your users so they can save some time and make data entry easier. You can type these tips as text on the form, or you can embed a link to this video.